Hi friends, this project is about online transport management system of a university. We developed a project for our university. Uh, Kambhampati, Ramakrishna, Pranavadithya, Jaya, Sainath, along with four teammates, we all together developed this project. The remaining team members are Pavan, Srikanth, Subbaraju, Patchamatla, Mohammed, Abdul, Lateef, Karthik Nukala, Vamshi, Krishna, Thallapalli, Komaraiah. Introduction of our project: online transport management system, which is helpful for college who operate many buses in a day. It is a web application which focused in the area of adding, editing and deleting staff and bus routes. By using this application, the students get allocated to their respective routes based on their starting points. System will automatically allot the students and the faculty according to the capacity of the buses. uh, Basic software requirements of this project are uh, technology, JDBC, web technologies, web server, database, software. Hardware requirements are hardware system with a minimum of P4 Pentium 4 RAM, Windows 7, Java, J2EE, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Vue Tomcat 7.0 server, Oracle database, JDK 1.6. Existing system, in our universities we manually allocate allocation of buses, students, faculty, employees according to their capacity of the buses and the routes, maintaining and modifying the data manually. Disadvantages are: admin should enter all the data manually, which is time taking. Maintaining large number of records, much more manpower is needed. Chances of incorrect data and redundancy: admin has to manage all the proposed system automatically allocation students and faculty according to the capacity of the buses and routes. Managing the data systematically. Advantages are automatic allocations of passengers, only one passenger, that is the administrator will, one person, that is the administrator will maintain all the data. No need of maintaining huge number of records, less time consumption as it is automatically allocated. Product overview: we have four modules in our product, that is administrator, employee, passenger and accounts. The activities of administrator are maintaining the details of buses, routes and passenger details, add new buses details such as the bus type, seating capacity and bus route timings also. uh, Activities of employee are contains details of employees, details of employee shift timings and his working details. Passenger contains the detail of the passenger. Module 4: calculate the bus rental based on the bus trips per day. Calculate employee salaries based on the on their attendance. This is the content diagram of our project. You can look at that. There are four modules: administrator, passenger, staff and accounts. Algorithm of a user. You can actually go through it. It's very simple and very easy to understand. There's a flow chart. There's an algorithm for the administrator, and this is the flow chart. The remaining part of our project is explained by one of our teammates.
So this is the main page of our project, and these are the screenshots of our project. So this is the main page. This is the student registration form, and this is the faculty registration form, and this is the login details, and these are the student details which can be only seen by the admin, and these are the faculty details which can only seen by the admin, and these are the particular routes which can seen by the admin with the particular time and distance, and the remaining part will be explained by our team member.
This is the home page of our project, and this is the registration for the student, where the student can register. The student has a specific specifications as name, ID, year, gender, place, phone number and password. And this is the faculty. The faculty has his ID, phone number, his name and his gender and the place where he travels, from where the route starts, and the password. And this is the announcement which can be given by the admin. This is the status, so that we can check the student and faculty details at any time. And this is the bus detail, so we can see the different routes where the bus can travel. see this is the bus route number 1. This is the bus route number 2, so that we have different bus details. And this is the fee details. The fee details for the first to third year student, and this is the fourth year student, and the fee details for the faculty. The fee depends upon the admin which was given by the discount for the faculty and the students. This is the login page. The admin has a user ID of admin, and password is also admin. So there is a prompt of welcome admin, so that we have been logged in into as an admin. The student registration, we can see the database of the student registrations and the faculty registrations. So we can edit, we can accept or delete the database here. These are the different routes which were saved by us. We can edit this and we can update. There is an update option also in our software. This is the announcement. This is the driver details. This is the fee details. We can edit and update the fee details. These are the timings, and these are the accounts for the passenger accounts. We have different passenger accounts, how much amount they had paid by the students, and these are the different route numbers. And one of my friend will conclude our project.
So these are the route page which can seen by the admin. The details like the student name, the faculty name, timings, and the distance, the particular distance. And these are the test cases. The test cases will be specified as input specification and expected result output. Input specification has a column name like a user ID, valid input. If the username ID along with the password, then the form will be navigated allotted page. And capacity, if the bus have the enough number of seats accommodated a passenger, then the passenger can get allocated. And invalid, if the user gives invalid input, it if they have the enough number of seats and accommodated the passenger, then the passenger will not get allocated. Here's the conclusion. Here all the process is done by the system, and the database is used to store all the information. Automatic allocation is done in the system. There is a less amount of manual work when compared to the existing system. Data is added, updated, approved, and maintained in the database. For further enhancement, each technology has its own pace of development. For further will promises us more. Further enhancement can be done by providing GPS tracking for each and every bus and providing mobile updates. Thank you.